Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and today we are going to be planning the week of September 23rd through September 29th. It's the first week of fall and the last week in September, so I'm pretty excited about this one. Fall is my favorite season of the year, and to celebrate I do have this kit from the Coffee Monsterz Co that we're going to be planning with. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So as I mentioned, I have this kit from the Coffee Monsterz Co. It's an autumn mini kit. This is my first time ever actually purchasing a sticker kit from her. Obviously I have a ton of emojis that I've shared here before over various plan with me's, and I'm sure you've seen them on my Instagram, but this is my first time using a kit, and it's got some pretty traditional fall colors in here. You know, orange and brown and some blue to complement, and then these are the functional stickers she has. Then she's got a full sheet of full boxes, some washi strips, some checklist emojis, headers, and then some page flags here. So this is going to be interesting because it's less stickers than I normally have in a kit, but there are quite a number of functional stickers and full boxes, which makes me think I should have enough stickers to get through this plan with me and actually use this kit up quite a bit, but we'll see as we go along in this process. I do have some stickers from Krissyanne Designs on the side in case I need to supplement with those, since there's some other colors she has in her collections that complement this kit here, as well as some other stickers in my collection that I might pop in here and there to make the whole thing kind of tied together. So there's no date covers in this kit, which is a little bit different for me, and it's going to be interesting to plan without them because I'm pretty used to them and I think I like them so far, but we're just going to go ahead and just go with this. So what I think I'm gonna do is use these different today stickers and put them each one on the 6 o'clock hour in this hourly and start with that. So let's go ahead and do that part. Okay, so those are all down. I do need to cover up the September, and I think I'm just going to put one of the full boxes down since there are 8 of them to cover this, and I'm just going to white this out because I'm not sure exactly which one I want to put down yet, and just in case, it just helps to have this white out on top of here in case anything shows. So I think I'll use this fall is in the air since that is kind of the theme for this week. And that looks really cute, so I'm happy with that so far. I do have a lot to do this week, so I'll probably put this header beneath here. And I really like these two together. This brown kind of helps offset a lot of the brown and orange that is already in this part here. So I think that was kind of perfect that happened that way. So now I feel like there's a little bit more balance between the blue and the browns. I can put this weekend sticker up here. I normally don't do the weekend stickers, but I kind of want to use one this time. This is really cute. Okay, there is one full box in this, or two full boxes in this kit that kind of need to be together, so I do need to keep that in mind when I'm planning, and I think I may put them on like Tuesday, Wednesday, because I have an appointment in the middle of the day on Monday, and then Friday I think I'm gonna leave early to prepare for my son's birthday party on Saturday. So even though I'm not quite at that point yet for this, since we're talking about it, I'll just put it down. And so now that looks really cute together. I do have an appointment on Monday. I have to go see my orthodontist to check in on my retainer. So I'm going to pull a sticker from when I actually used to have a sticker shop of my own. I made a bunch of like dental checkup appointments and stuff like that, and I happened to be going through that binder the other night because my little sister came over and we were talking about Etsy, because she might be opening up an Etsy shop for not planner related stuff but just for some other things she's been working on, so she wanted to talk to me about what my experiences were like. And then I think I might have scared her a little bit because then we started talking about planners and I started showing her all of my stuff, but anyway, all of that to say, I'm gonna go grab that binder really quick because I have a sticker that I could use for that appointment. Okay, so this is a sheet that I used to have in my shop, and it was like for different doctor's appointments and stuff like that. I think this little like tooth sticker is gonna be perfect for this. I don't want to use dental checkup because it's not really a dental checkup. So what I think I'm gonna do is pull this sticker from here, and then I'm actually gonna cut off that other part. So I'll do this on camera so you can see what I do. And so now this kind of ties in with some of the blue that we have here in the kit, and I'm just going to grab one of the like smaller functional stickers that she has in here. It's going to be close to that. I think I might do, what do I want to do? Is that too much blue? I'm going to do the orange, even though it's kind of matchy-matchy on the same day. I thought about doing this pink, but this is going to be right next to this pink here, and that's going to be super, like, too matchy for me. Okay, so that is down. Monday is the first day of fall. I want to do something for that. And maybe I'll do the blue. You know, there's blue next to it. Kind of put it in the middle here. And the weather is actually really nice here right now in Central Florida. It could afford to be definitely, I would personally like it about 10 to 15 degrees cooler than it is right now, but it's in, I think, like the lower-ish 80s, which I don't remember the last time we've seen or felt a lower-ish 80s, so I will gladly take this right now and have no complaints about it. But yeah, it's actually a lot nicer right now, so I think tomorrow might be the last day that it feels like that. I was looking at the forecast just because my son's birthday is on Saturday, to see what we were gonna have weather-wise, and I think it is supposed to get back up to the like low 90s later in the week, which is not great, but it's still better than what we've been having over the last couple of months. But I'm really ready for weather like this and even a little bit lower to come, but for now I'm really happy with this. Wonder if I can fit, I might be able to fit another full box, and maybe I'll do the brown, but I don't really want to use the brown. Even though the brown might be the best for the colors that are going on here, I just feel like that's an empty spot and I'd rather use that for something that I could write something in, so I'm gonna do this one, and I think this will be fine. Kind of orange and blue thing continues for the rest of the day. So anything else on Monday? No. I finally have my facial scheduled. I've been back and forth with the girl that does them, and we finally settled on a day, so I will be doing that Tuesday evening. And I'm gonna grab one of my stickers from the Smushed Peach for that. That's Tuesday. My list pad, do I have anything else? No. Okay. Thursday, I don't think I have anything. Friday, I'm gonna leave work early, so I'll put one of the full boxes to be higher up in the day. And you're probably like, why am I hovering between the times? I'm trying to like space out the full boxes a little bit so they're not all the same level. I just don't really like when they're all the same level. That's just my personal opinion. And these match a little bit more than I care for them to, but it's fine. So I just put things on here that I'll want to make sure I do before I leave that day. I'm gonna grab a checklist emoji because I am going home. I will be going home early that day to prepare stuff for my son's birthday party. So I'll put this here. And actually, I just changed my mind. I'm gonna put this checklist emoji here, but I'm gonna put this down here, and then I don't have to write in to do. So I need to, one of the reasons why I need to is to film my plan with me. Keeping it very general so I don't have to worry about putting too many things. Saturday my son does have soccer in the morning, so I need to put something down for that. My husband is going to take him so I can stay home and finish party preparations. And I'm going to grab one of my stickers from Once More With Love for that. I have like virtual assistant stuff to put on here, so I might put that off to the side here. Son's birthday party is from 2 to 6, so I'm just gonna put a full box for that. And actually I'm gonna lower this just one because I'll put like a little sticker for it at that time. Whew, that made me nervous. That was a little stressful, but all the stickers are down and then nothing got ripped, so that is a win. Definitely will put some sort of to-do list here. Alright, that's everything on Saturday. I'm gonna put this on Sunday morning. I made use of all of the full boxes, so I'm really happy about that. There is a football game, but I'm not gonna put that there. It's way too much orange. We'll have this kind of matching. And I need to look up that game really quick actually, because I looked last week during the plan with me, but I've already forgotten. That's off center and bothering me. I'm just putting a little spot for a to-do list here because I know I'm gonna have to edit my plan with me and do some other stuff that day, but I'll leave that alone for the moment. Okay, so there's a TV show Tuesday. I don't like the way that looks actually because I kind of messed up, so I still have some functional stickers here and I can put some blue in this spread by putting this here and covering up how that turned out. And so here I'm just putting a little separate to-do list. This is going to be for my little virtual assistant stuff that I need to do, and I'll put that stuff on there later. That's the post-it that you saw at the beginning of the plan with me, just reminders of myself on things to do. And then last thing I'm gonna do is stick this here. So I'm gonna keep this for my meal plan section. So meals are in. The last thing I need to do is put some washi on the spread, and I pulled this from my Simply Gilded collection, so I've got some like burnt orange that kind of goes with the brown and orange here, and then a blue that kind of complements the blues in the spread. I think I'm going to do the blue on top here, and then I'm going to see how this goes, like just see what it looks like before I commit to it, because I might do blue here and orange there, but I'm not sure yet. And then I'll probably do the orange at the bottom. I wish I had a 10mm of this one to consider using as well, but we'll see. Alright, so blue is down, and it's actually not that bad, so I may just do blue all the way across, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out, I think I'm going to put some blue here too, just to kind of balance out. I figured that the orange would be okay down here, but it just feels really orange, so I think I'm going to try with this blue, and maybe that'll create more balance. Yeah, that's a little bit better to me with some blue to help complement, because it just felt too orange at the bottom. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. So I should probably fill in this part for my son's birthday, and I'm gonna grab my Krissyanne Designs Celebrations collection binder. You can find this on her website. She comes out with different versions of it, or at least she has the last couple years. I'm not sure at the moment if she'll be doing like an updated version for 2020, but regardless, it's a really great comprehensive collection. I have 2 years of celebration stickers in this one binder. You can tell it's pretty thick, but she just creates stickers that are really ideal for every type of celebration you can possibly have. Okay, so I have that filled in. I'll fill that in later. Same thing here. Anything else I'm missing? I don't know that I'm missing anything else, so I'm gonna go ahead and think that this is pretty much good to go. I do love this washi, but I'm not really someone who uses washi in my spreads, and or like washi strips. This is actually a really perfect size for the hourly, and it would have fit gorgeously down here, but then I would have lost this space to be able to write in my meal plan for the week, and that's for me the best place that could have been. But I did get use out of most of the stickers. Like I said, all the full boxes are gone. A lot of the functional stickers are gone, although I wish I had figured out a place to use this little emoji with the pumpkin coffee, because that's so me, and I wish I would have had a spot to use it, but maybe I will find a spot somewhere in this spread. And then I think that's pretty much it. So for a mini kit, that was perfect for me. Yeah, so this is my week finally wrapped up here. If you have any feedback or questions about things that I did with this kit, you can definitely leave them in the comments for me, and I will respond to them. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. That helps more people see my videos and help YouTube know that more people should be watching them. Same thing with subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, because it just helps this channel grow and helps me know what kind of content people are interested in seeing. I feel like my Plan With Me's are very unique and different from most people that are out there, so I hope you feel the same way when you watch them. If you are an existing subscriber, thank you for always coming back and watching my videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have a fabulous week. It looks like it's going to be a really awesome week for me as well, and with that, I will see you back next Tuesday for yet another Plan With Me, and have a lovely day. Thank you for watching.